Hello, everyone. My name is Barely Pass, and this is day 26 of 60 Days of Stupidity. Today, I thought I was just going to show you how to make a video. So here's my recorder. I use OBS Studios, and here you could see like sort of the screens and the audios I could select from. If you look over here, that's where I would press record, but I'm already recording. I've been fairly busy, so like this is what I was picturing. Pull up Canva real quick, and yeah, this is where I make my thumbnails. So every single one that like you click, I use Canva, and I just go here. Yeah, there we go. Change to day 26, and we're gonna come back to this later, but we're gonna pull up DaVinci Resolve, which is what I use to edit my videos, and we'll just wait for it to load. Oh, there we go. So you can see the plethora of videos I've made. So we're going to click here and we're going to make a new project. We're going to call it day 26. There we go. Click on it. All right, here we go. Here's DaVinci Resolve. Yeah, just going to snag some of the video. All right, so we just snagged some of the video, and we're gonna just I already edited it, so last thing we have to do is just throw it in. Let's see, put in a capture day 22. Oh wait, this is day 26. Whoops. Oh well, it doesn't really matter. Let me just delete this real quick, rename it right here. Yeah, let's just run it. So just gonna be uploading this video real quick. Yeah, it's got me just about yeah. All right, got me just about doing everything. All right, so here we are at the thumbnail, Canva. We're gonna go grab a photo real quick. Let's just do video making. Let's see here. Here, images. Let's remove this previous image from day 22, bed rotting. Oh, this one's pretty good. That's a pretty good video. So we're gonna snag this, just drag it. Yeah, I think that should be fine. Yep, let's just move this upward, and let's just send it back. Let's see. Oh, no, I sent it to front. Okay, that looks good. Oh, hold on. All right, there we go. Let's see here. All right, now it's gone. All right, there we go. All right, yeah, I think we should put our logo on this. So let's go to uploads. Here you can see a bunch of, wait. I kind of have one right here. What am I doing? Let's just grab that, copy it, grab it. Let's see, flip horizontally. Let's see, how do we rotate it? Oh, it's down here. Okay, let's rotate it right here. I think that's an okay angle. Let's put it right here. Make it bigger so it covers his face. Send it. Yeah, let's send it back so it doesn't cover the day. Maybe I should rotate it a bit. Yeah. Right there. Yeah. Let's cover it back up. There. I think that's fine. Let's check. It's kind of sticking out. I don't know why it's sticking out. Let's see. Let's send it back one. All right, yeah, looks like we're done with our thumbnail, so we're gonna just grab it and just let's download it. Just wait for it. Oh, there we go. All right, so now we have our thumbnail for our video. All right, here we are on the account. I'm just gonna pull up some YouTube. Click right here. All right, here's the account. Oh, it looks like we have 3 notifications. Oh. Ooh. So get a pop mic. Well, that's not for me, but I do have a pretty bad mic. I don't know what that is though. Maybe I'll look into it. But anyways, we're gonna go here. We're gonna click look at our channel. Then we'll press create. We're gonna upload our video that we just made, which is this one. Click that, go down, go to oh no, not here. We're gonna go to captures. Right here. Oh, yeah, it's still day 22. I think the rendering made it labeled as day 22. Forgot about that. So we're just gonna be uploading that right now. We're gonna call it day 26. How to make a video. Oh, how to make videos. Yeah, that sounds better. For the description, we're gonna say Yurr. This is how I make poor quality. Maybe I'll change this. Let me see. Maybe this is how I make dookie. Yeah, dookie out of my noggin. Yeah, there we go. Let's upload our yeah, there we go. Let's upload our thumbnail. Perfect. It's not for kids, And I always like to add in the, video and subscribe option for the end screen. I'll just save that real quick. Finish that. Go here. We're going to set it to public, so the video just uploads right away. And then, boom. Yeah, that's how we do it. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
We are 60 days of yes sirree.